If you've ever experienced bleeding gums or noticed signs of gingivitis, you're not alone. But what if there's a natural, time-tested remedy that can help? It's Triphala, a power herb of Ayurveda. Gingivitis is a common gum disease caused by plaque buildup, leading to inflammation, redness, and bleeding gums. If left untreated, it can escalate into more serious periodontal disease. Triphala, an ancient Ayurvedic remedy, has been used for centuries to promote overall oral health. This powerful blend of three fruits, amla, bibitaki, and haritaki, offers numerous health benefits such as immunomodulating, antibacterial, including the potential to soothe and heal your gums. Triphala is packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and vitamin C, all of which are vital for maintaining healthy gums and reducing inflammation. When used as a mouthwash or in a paste, Triphala helps reduce the plaque buildup that causes gum inflammation, as suggested by many research studies. Its natural astringent properties help tone the gums, while its anti-inflammatory agents work to calm irritation and reduce bleeding. Studies have shown that Triphala can be an effective, natural remedy for treating gingivitis and also in promoting healthier gums. It helps in reducing plaque formation and controlling oral bacteria that contribute to gum diseases. Several studies in meta-analysis have shown equal clinical efficacy of Triphala mouthwash as chlorhexidine mouthwash. In addition, Triphala has minimal side effects when used regularly compared to chlorhexidine, which is commonly associated with side effects such as staining of teeth and alterations in taste. To use Triphala, mix 50 grams of Triphala powder in 1 liter of water, then boil it until 250 milliliters are left. You can use this to make a mouthwash or mix 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder with a bit of water to form a paste. Swish it around your mouth for a few minutes, or gently massage the paste into your gums for effective relief. For the best results, use Triphala regularly along with proper dental hygiene, brushing twice a day and flossing. This holistic approach can help improve gum health and prevent future issues. Besides its benefits for your gums, Triphala is also known to support digestion, detoxify the body, and improve skin health. It's truly a powerhouse herb. If you're tired of dealing with bleeding gums and gingivitis, consider trying Triphala as part of your oral care routine. It's natural, effective, and a safe way to promote healthier gums. Discover the benefits of Triphala and embrace nature's healing touch. Kindly share your experiences with oral health remedies in the comments and check out our other videos on natural health solutions. And we hope you'll embrace Triphala as a natural, holistic way to support your oral health. If you've tried it, we'd love to hear your experience. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey might inspire someone else. Like, subscribe, and share for more natural health tips.